if the clock will move 2 minutes in 6 hours, what will be the time if you start 6 a.m. Monday and end in Wednesday, 6 p.m.? Okay, so yung clock daw, nag-move ng 2 minutes in 6 hours. So, ibig sabihin, lalampas siya ng 2 minutes dun sa original na oras. So, if the clock will move 2 minutes in 6 hours, so, after 6 hours, sobra siya ng 2 minutes. So, ang tanong, what will be the time if you start 6 a.m. Monday and end in Wednesday, 6 p.m.? 6 p.m. Wednesday. So, ano na yung oras dun sa clock? So, medyo defective yung clock. Every 6 hours, meron siyang 2 minutes na sobra. Okay, so bilangin lang natin yan. So, meron tayong Monday to Wednesday. So, Monday ay 6 a.m. So, bilangin natin. Monday, 6 a.m. Tapos, papuntang Monday, 6 a.m. to Wednesday. Okay, to Wednesday, Monday, 6 a.m. to Wednesday, 6 a.m. Ilang oras yon? 2 araw, di ba? Monday to Wednesday, same 6 a.m. So, that is 2 araw. So, isang araw ay 24 hours. So, therefore, ito ay 48. 48 hours ito. Okay? So, tapos, hanggang Wednesday pa tayo, 6 p.m. Wednesday, 6 p.m. So, ilang oras yon? Wednesday, 6 a.m. papuntang Wednesday, 6 p.m. So, may 12 hours yun, di ba? 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, may 12 hours. Okay? So, ngayon, i-add lang natin ito. 48 plus 12, that is equal to 60. So, may total na 60 hours. Okay? So, ngayon, gamitin natin yung proportion. Sabi, every 6 hours daw, every 6 hours, ang katumbas niyang i-advance nung clock ay 2 minutes. Every 6 hours, 2 minutes. So, ilang oras ito? 60 hours. 60 hours, so ilan yung minutes dito? Lagyan natin ng n. Okay? So, apply lang natin yung ratio and proportion. Sa bawat 6 hours ay 2 minutes yung lalampas niya. So, itong 60 hours, ilang minutes? So, kung mapapansin natin, yung 6 naging 60, ano yung, para i-shortcut na natin, yung 6 naging 60, minultiply lang natin sa 10. Times 10 lang. 6 times 10, 60. So, syempre, itong 2 minutes, i-multiply lang din natin sa 10. So, ganun yung direct variation. Pag nakita na natin agad yung i-multiply dito sa isa, i-apply lang natin dito sa pangalawa. So, 2 times 10, so therefore, ito ay 20 minutes. Okay? So, therefore, ilang oras yun? So, sobra ng 20 minutes, yung original natin, yung tama ay 6 p.m., i-add natin itong 20 minutes. So, therefore, magiging siyang 6 p.m. plus 20 minutes. The answer is 6:20 p.m. Okay? Or another, gamitan lang natin ang formula ng 6:2. 6:2 equals 60:n. Tapos, i-apply natin yung rule natin kapag nagsasolve ng proportion. I-multiply natin yung extremes. 6 times n, we have 6n equals, i-multiply natin itong means, yung nasa loob, 2 times 60, that is equal to 120. Tapos, solve for n, divide natin both sides by 6. Therefore, ang value ng m, same pa rin, 120 divided by 6, that is equal to 20 minutes. So, 20 minutes yung sosobra dun sa original na oras na Wednesday, 6 p.m. Okay, so sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. So, kung meron kayong mga question, i-comment nyo lang or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye!